In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to use WeChat wallet without a Chinese bank account. So this is a very simple thing to do. The first thing we need to do is head over to the WeChat app. Once you are on this page right here, you will then be able to select login. And then from here, you want to click on more options at the bottom of this page. Click on Help Center. And then once you are on Help Center, you need to click on Send Feedback. Now what they will need is they will need the platform. Click on the drop down menu, select the platform you are using, select your region, for example United Kingdom. You need to select the categories, so unable to register an account. Click on the drop down menu and then you want to select one of these. In the description you just want to put something simple like this. So just put something simple like, I am unable to register due to not having a Chinese bank account. Could you assist me with the account setup? Now once you have entered in this information, just enter in a valid phone number and email for them to contact you. And then once they do this, they will then be able to assist you with the sign up for your WeChat account. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can use the WeChat wallet without a Chinese bank account.